Hello guys, welcome to Online Money Goal. So this is another video in content writer job series. So here in this video I'll be showing you guys two new videos about job opportunities as a content writer. And if you're interested to know a lot more information about content writer job opportunities out there, try subscribing because I will be making it as a series. And now without a drag, we'll start off with the video. And the website that I'm going to tell you guys is first number one, textmaster.com. So this is a freelance marketplace specifically designed for content writers. So here you have three categories to start off your journey as a content writer. Number one is copywriter, and number two is translator, and number three is proofreader. So number one, copywriter is nothing but you will be given few photographs and you have to write a good copy for that. Copy is nothing but creating and compelling write-up for a photograph provided to you, which will be moreover business oriented. And number two, which I have told you, is a translator opportunity. As a translator, if you are a multilingual person, you are very much opted for this one, and you can do a number of as per your translation language availability. And as a proofreader, you have to check for the grammar and you have to correct it, and moreover it is like that, like correcting it and doing text correction, that's it. And this website is also one among the other websites where you have to give your profile and submit it. After reviewing, you will be getting into it. So you have to make sure you provide a good information about yourself, and you have to complete the profile more attractive and more applicable for this one. And here you can join as a semi-professional or a professional. So a semi-professional is someone who is a bit don't have English as a native language, and you're not experienced as how a professional will be. So start signing up. You just need to enter your details and get into it. So this is a usual process, guys. I think every website will be requiring you this information. I'll be showing you what all questions they'll be asking inside. So we'll be looking at that. And before moving on, try subscribing to the channel and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. And now here I'm going to click it as semi-professional because I'm not going to choose any professional level. I'm going to choose it as a startup only. I'll be clicking on this one, which is translator or a copywriter as a semi-professional. And you have three stages in your application. First part is you have to explain about and choose what all expertise you have and how well you are with each category. So you have to describe about your skill here, and second part will be your profile details, and the third one is you have to click on finish and you will be getting over with it, and you will have a review on your application. So guys, try making it more detailed. So here, as I have told you, the second part is completing your profile and everything. And after reviewing, you will start earning money, $0.15 per 1,000 words. So it will be changing according to your level and according to your sample that you are going to send to them. And as you improve your samples and as you upgrade, your payment will also be upgrading. At the same time, you will be earning more than $0.15 per 1,000 words. So as the quality of your content increases, your payment will also be increasing. So this is how your profile is going to be. Guys, start earning money today. Try applying for this. So here you will be getting job in two ways. One is you have to complete your profile and wait for a client to come and reach you out, or you can apply for any jobs that are listed out in the job section area in your dashboard, and you will have a threshold of $70, after which you will get paid through PayPal from this website. So I think this is a great opportunity, guys. Try applying. Good resume will get you inside this. So complete your profile and start making money today. The second website that I'm going to tell you is that textbroker.com. So this is, I have to tell you guys that this is not for everyone. This is specifically designed for a specific geographical location. First, I have to tell you guys that there are two websites with TextBroker, which is textbroker.com and textbroker.co.uk. In textbroker.com, only US residents can apply and become an author or writer, freelance writer. Freelance writer is also called as author in this website. So only if you are residing in US, any one of the states in US, you will be able to work here, get approved. So in another website, textbroker.co.uk, you will be able to apply only if you are going to residing in UK, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, South Africa, and Republic of Ireland. So if you are here located and residing here, you can apply in textbroker.co.uk. I will leave the link of both the websites in the description box below, so you can find it out. And also I'll be linking other few related videos for content writers globally, so you can find those videos and those website links in the description box also. And here working, you will be getting paid through the modes. There are a lot of modes available. So getting started, if you are residing in any one of the countries that I have told you, click as going to earn money as a writer. So you will be end up in a page where you have to fill up your details. So here is the catch, guys. If you are only residing in these countries, you will be able to give their extra documents, which is like W9 form, which is required and which is really important to submit before getting into this for US citizens, because W9 form is for taxpayers. Those form has to be submitted as a US citizen. If you are out of these countries, you won't be able to pay because they'll be asking more details and more documents, and also you'll be having a phone interview. So try applying to this. If you are, the earning potential in these websites will be differing according to the quality of your samples that you are submitting, and it will be increasing as the quality is also increasing. So you can earn above $2 to $10 per 300 to 800 words if your content is really good. So try applying. And if you guys have any doubts, try commenting it below. I will answer it as soon as possible. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and try subscribing, because I will be uploading a lot more videos on this series. So meet you all in the next video, guys. Until then, bye and thank you.